Okay, so we've got this biscuit question in the shape of a pyramid, right? And they give you certain values, don't they? And it says calculate the angle that one of the triangular faces makes with the base of the pyramid. So you've got to sort of read this properly. There's the base of the pyramid, which is in the shape of a square, and then the face of the triangular pyramid, you can consider that one there. So the face, it's not the edge, right? It's the actual, so it's not this angle here, it's the face. So really this triangle you've drawn here is going to help us. So we want to work on this angle here. It might help actually to join and look like that. Okay, so that's sort of looking inside the pyramid, isn't it? But the face there, okay, that's sort of, that line there represents the midpoint, isn't it? It represents that height there of that triangle. Okay, if you look at the triangle face on, that would be like the height of it. But you know, on this angle here is, as it says, the angle that the face makes with the base of the pyramid. So we want this angle, so we've got to use trigonometry. Okay, so if I call this sort of say like x, okay, and then we've got a right angle triangle here, it might help to draw this triangle down here, away from the diagram. Now the height is 2.1 of this triangle. Now this length here, right, don't be mistaken to put 3.4, it isn't in it because it's only halfway. 3.4 is all that length there, so it's only half of it, so we're 1.7 here. To get this angle here then, you use, you know, that's opposite, that's adjacent, that's hypotenuse, so we're going to use SOHCAHTOA, and of course in this case is tan, so tan x equals, okay, 2.1 over 1.7, so that means then to get x, you take the over the other side, and you get the answer to be 51 degrees. Okay, that's what x is there. So then it says the company knows that it costs 0.08 pence per centimetre squared to apply a chocolate covering. Calculate the cost of applying a chocolate covering to all 5 faces of the biscuit. So we need now, because we're going to cover the whole side, we need the area, don't we? And it says here how much it is per centimetre squared. We need the area of each of these faces. Okay, and in order to get the area, we need to consider the shapes that we've got. Now the base is easy, isn't it? Because the base will be a square. So, you know, write that down, 3.4 times 3.4. That will be the base area, because it's a square, so 3.4 squared, actually. And you get out 11.56. That bit's easy, the area of the base. But it's the triangles that are going to cause problems, and maybe drawing one will help. Okay, now the triangles, if we look at one of the triangles now and sort of face it up, so are we looking at it like this, as if it's flat on the floor. Okay, then we know the base of this triangle is 3.4. Okay, so we know that. But what we need is the height of the triangle. This here, okay, the height, because you could get the area then, you can't use half base times height. But the height of the triangle, okay, this here, can be worked out, okay? We haven't got it yet, right? It's not that, okay? Some people confuse it with this. It's not that, because this is the height of the pyramid, right? 2.1 is the height of the pyramid. But we want the height of the triangle, and the triangular face is sort of being pushed on an angle here, isn't it? This is the side we want, if you think about it. This side here represents my triangle, yeah? Represents the height of my triangle. And I can work this side out because I've got sides. I've got this up here. In fact, it's just working on h, isn't it? Okay, so if you look at this here, the triangle is formed here. That's what you want. You want this here. You want this h here. And you can even use Pythagoras, can't you? Because you've got these two sides, so you can use Pythagoras. So h, if we call this h squared then, okay, using this triangle, okay, h will be the longer side using this triangle, so h squared equals 1.7 squared plus 2.1 squared, so h squared will equal, that comes out to be 7.3, and then to get h, you square root the answer, and I get 2.7 centimeters. Okay, so then, you know, if I know that's 2.7, I can get the area. So area of triangle will be half base times height, so half times 3.4 times 2.7 equals this. So I get 4.59. Okay, now we got, it's not just one triangle face, we've got 4 of them, haven't we? So total area triangles will be 4 times 4.59, which is 18.36 centimeters squared. So you've got the area of all the triangle faces. Of course, don't forget now you've got to add the base to it. So total area, okay, total surface area of a pyramid will be then the 11.56 plus then the 18.36, and you get 29.92 centimeters squared. Now it does say that then the cost of it is 0.08 pence per centimetre squared. We've got this amount of centimetres squared, so to get the total cost we've got to multiply. Okay, 29.92 times then the 0.08, and you get 2.3936. So maybe we'll round that, because we're looking at 2 decimal places here, so we'll round this to 2 decimal places, and this is in terms of pence, so it'll be 2.39 pence. Then that's all it will cost to cover the one biscuit with chocolate.